Welcome to Spaceverse, your portal to cosmic adventures. Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that something mysterious is racing toward our solar system. Not an asteroid we've seen before, not a familiar comet, but a visitor from deep interstellar space. This is the story of Triae Atlas, a strange glowing object that has astronomers excited, puzzled, and maybe even a little nervous. Triae Atlas might be the third known interstellar visitor ever discovered by humanity after the famous Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. It's currently making its way through our cosmic neighborhood, and although it poses no direct danger to Earth, the mystery surrounding it has sparked questions that go far beyond science fiction. Could this be just another icy rock wandering the galaxy, or something far stranger, perhaps even artificial? The discovery of Triae Atlas wasn't an accident. It was spotted by the Atlas system, an automated sky survey designed to monitor the heavens around the clock. Using several powerful telescopes in Hawaii and South Africa, Atlas scans the night sky to detect fast-moving objects, asteroids, and comets that might one day collide with Earth. Think of it as an early warning system, constantly building a real-time map of everything racing through our solar system. One day, Atlas picked up something unusual. Among the countless small objects it tracks, Triae Atlas stood out immediately. Its trajectory didn't look like the others. Its brightness was extraordinary. And when astronomers ran the numbers, they found something even more stunning. It seemed to be accelerating in ways that couldn't be explained by gravity alone. This is exactly the kind of behavior that once made Oumuamua so puzzling. Some scientists say Triae Atlas is just a comet, others argue it might be an asteroid, but a few, including Harvard's Avi Loeb, don't dismiss the possibility that it could be artificial in origin. Could it be another probe intentionally sent through space? That question may sound wild, but it's one that astronomers can't ignore. So what exactly do we know about Triae Atlas? For one, it's traveling incredibly fast, around 245,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than almost anything we've seen from objects born in our own solar system. At the moment, it's located about 3.8 astronomical units from the Sun, which is nearly 570 million kilometers away. But unlike comets and asteroids that orbit the Sun on closed elliptical paths, Triae Atlas follows a hyperbolic trajectory. In simple terms, that means it's just passing through. It won't loop back around like a planet. Instead, it will cross into the inner solar system once, then fly out into the galaxy again, probably never to return. This journey is thought to have begun millions of years ago, far beyond our planetary neighborhood, and possibly even in another solar system altogether. That alone makes it special. Every interstellar object that visits us carries with it the history of another corner of the galaxy. It's a fragment of a story written light years away. Now let's talk about timing, because astronomers have already mapped out its path. On October 3, 2025, Triae Atlas will reach a point in its journey where it comes close to Mars. Not directly by it, but close enough for astronomers to say that this marks its true arrival in the inner solar system. Just 3 weeks later, on October 23, 2025, it will reach perihelion, the point closest to the Sun in its orbit. At that moment, Triae Atlas will be about 300 million kilometers from the Sun, or roughly twice the distance between Earth and the Sun. That's not particularly close in cosmic terms, but it's close enough for the Sun's gravity and heat to put on a show. For comets, this is usually the point when they begin to shine brightly, releasing gas and dust. But Triae Atlas is different. Like Oumuamua, it may not display a typical comet tail at all, leaving scientists once again scratching their heads. By the time December 2025 arrives, Triae Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth. But don't worry, it will remain at a safe distance. After that, it will head back out into the vast emptiness of interstellar space, continuing a journey that may last millions of years more, drifting past countless star systems on its way. The last time we had a cosmic visitor like this, in 2017, the world was stunned. Oumuamua was the first confirmed interstellar object ever seen. It was cigar-shaped, about a kilometer long, and it raced past Earth at a hair's breadth in cosmic terms. What shocked scientists was its behavior. No comet tail, no signs of outgassing, but still it accelerated as it moved away from the Sun. Even today, no one fully understands how. Some scientists suggested it might have been a thin, sail-like object propelled by solar radiation. Others went further, proposing it could even have been an artifact of extraterrestrial engineering. Then came Borisov in 2019. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov was much easier to classify. It looked and behaved like a typical comet, complete with a tail of gas and dust as it evaporated under the sun's heat. Scientists studied it carefully and concluded it was a natural interstellar comet, nothing more, nothing less. Triae Atlas, however, seems to combine features of both. It's fast and mysterious like Oumuamua, but it shines brightly like Borisov. And according to some early estimates, it might even be larger than either of them. A colossal specimen traveling through the galaxy and for a short while passing close enough for us to study. This raises big questions. Are interstellar visitors actually common, and we've just never noticed them before? Or is there something unique about our current era making these encounters more frequent? For decades, scientists thought small objects couldn't survive interstellar journeys. The forces of space, gravity, radiation, collisions with other debris seemed too powerful. But clearly, these visitors do exist. Their trajectories are difficult to reconstruct, and the conditions they've experienced in deep space remain a mystery. Each one we detect gives us clues, not just about itself, but about the physics of the galaxy at large. And here's something worth thinking about. Interstellar objects aren't just curiosities, they could also be potential threats. Remember, Oumuamua was only discovered after it had already passed Earth. And it came alarmingly close, just 24 million kilometers away, about 60 times closer than Mars ever gets to us. If an object like Triae Atlas, say a kilometer in size, were on a collision course with Earth, the impact would be catastrophic. The devastation could wipe out a continent, trigger massive tsunamis, or even cause a global climate disaster. Thankfully, Triae Atlas is not headed our way. But its arrival highlights the importance of detection systems like ATLAS and the upcoming Vera Rubin Observatory, which will scan the skies even more effectively. Of course, beyond safety, the scientific opportunity here is enormous. Imagine if we could capture just a tiny fragment of Triae Atlas. A single splinter could tell us more about distant solar systems than decades of telescopic observation. The chemical composition of the object might be totally different from anything we've seen before. Its isotopic signatures could prove that the matter around other stars is not quite like the matter in our own neighborhood. We might even find traces of organic molecules or elements and metals that hint at exotic planetary systems. With better technology, there's hope that next time an object like this arrives, we'll be ready. Imagine a space probe station permanently in orbit, designed to launch at a moment's notice when a new interstellar object is detected. It could chase the visitor, collect samples, and bring them back to Earth before the object escapes again. Missions like OSIRIS-REx have already proven we can grab material from asteroids. Now the challenge is to do the same with interstellar travelers. Triae Atlas reminds us that we are not alone in the galaxy, not in the sense of aliens watching us, but in the sense that our solar system is not isolated. Objects wander in and out, carrying the history of stars and planets far beyond our sun. For now, the mystery remains. Is Triae Atlas just a bright, icy comet on a one-way trip through the galaxy? Or could it be something more, perhaps even the second unexplained probe to pass us by after Oumuamua? Whatever the answer, astronomers are watching closely. As Triae Atlas races through our solar system and back into the vast unknown, it reminds us just how small we are and how much there is still left to discover. Is it a comet, an asteroid, or something far more mysterious? We may not know for certain, but every interstellar visitor carries secrets from beyond the stars. If you enjoyed this journey through the mysteries of Triae Atlas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us here on Spaceverse, where we explore the wonders and puzzles of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.